What if the food of the future was on every family's table? The CryoSynth food printer is revolutionizing how we eat. At home, at school, in hospitals, all over the world. School meals are no longer a compromise. Every child, regardless of age, need, or sensitivity, will receive the right food for them. Allergy-free, gluten-free, sugar-free, or extra energy-rich for athletes. This is not just printing, this is personalized nutrition. CryoSynth uses biotechnology to create molecularly composed meals. The perfect steak, crispy French fries, a fiber-rich fruit dessert. Each portion personalized to the user's current health status. Supported by artificial intelligence, the system takes into account digestive system characteristics, insulin sensitivity, vitamin deficiency, microbiome data, even daily activity levels. The technology that is not only delicious, but also healing. CryoSynth can regenerate an entire daily diet with a single push of a button. The goal, a healthy society with prevention, not treatment. And the dessert, completely unique, based on the child's favorite flavor, adjusted to the grandparent's blood pressure, tuned to the athlete's daily protein needs. CryoSynth, when the future is not far away, but served.